Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show how you can create a request code form for your website just doing drag and drop. Everything you can edit and update using visual editing system, so no coding knowledge is required to create this type of form. We are using WP Forms, which is a really good visual form builder for WordPress. It's super easy to manage, looks super professional for its mobile responsive feature, and you can add your own styling on it. You can use pre-made form templates to build any professional form. You can set different conditional logics, send instant notifications to your users, create multi-page forms, and many more using this method. So let's get started. When you click on the Get Started button, it will take you to this page from where you can choose a package. Depending on your requirement, you can choose any package. I will pick the Pro package and move forward. Here you have to fill out all the necessary information and complete the payment process to get access of all premium features. Click on the Complete Checkout button and it will take you to the next page, where you have to provide some information. After providing all the informations, you can download the plugin including the license key and install it on your website. Hit the Save and Continue button. Here you have to provide your company name. I will add my company name WP Pathfinder and hit the Save and Complete button. I will use all the features for my website, so I will check all the features. Hit the Save and Complete button. It will take you to the final page from where you can download the license key and the plugin as well. I will click View License Key Details and Download. Here is the button that will help you to download the plugins, and you will find your license key on the left side. Both you need to use on your website. I will now log in to my WordPress dashboard. This will help me to upload the plugin and activate the plugin, so I can use the functionality of the plugin. From the dashboard, I will hover over to plugins and click on Add New button, so I can install the plugin. Click on the Upload Plugin button and drag the plugin to the installation section. Click on the Install Now button. This is method 1. You can install and activate plugin from your WordPress dashboard. We can upload the plugin on our hosting as well and activate the plugin. I will show that method as well, so I will cancel this method and follow the cPanel method, so you can learn both methods easily. Go to your WordPress installation directory and then go to WP Content section and then Plugins. Here you have to upload your plugin. Just drag the plugin to the uploader section. It will take time to upload the plugin, so you have to wait patiently. Once the plugin is uploaded, you have to extract the zip folder on your plugins installation directory. Select the plugin and click on Extract button. If you now visit the plugins directory, you will find WP form is installed already. You have to activate the plugin. Once you activate the plugin, you will notice the WP form option on dashboard. We will go to Settings option. Here you can use your license key and activate the plugin. Click on add new button. Here you will find different type of templates. You can choose any type of template to create that type of form, or you can choose a blank form if you want. I will choose request a code form because I want to create a request a code form. In this page it will open a default template. You can edit and modify this type of form. You can add more options on it or remove the options if you don't need. You can simply drag any fields on your form and customize it depending on your requirement. You can add any custom message if you want. Also, you can make it required or optional. You can make conditional fields as well. The field will only appear if the field can fulfill the requirement. I will add another checkbox. Just click and drag it to your form and then customize it depending on your requirement. Once your form editing is complete, hit the save button. Click on embed button. You can create new page or use it on an existing page. Also, you can use the shortcode. I will click on create new page and name it as request quote. Hit the let's go button. It will take you to the next page. Shortcode is already added on the content editor. You just have to hit the publish button. Click on view page. So our form is ready. Using this request code form, anyone can request codes from us. I will fill all the information just to show you how it works. If you only check the security check option, the website URL field will appear. So these are all the basics. Following this method, you can easily create a request code form on your website. I will add the plugin download link in the video description, so you can download the plugin and use on your website. Once someone will hit the submit button, admin will get an email. If you have any question regarding the video, contact me using the email given on the video description. Thanks for watching the video.